rising every day. Today we are making a oregano tincture, and oregano is a potent herbal remedy known for its wide range of health benefits. Disclaimer, I'm not a doctor, so always consult with your doctor before trying anything new. But oregano tincture is rich in compounds like carvacrol and thymol, which give it a strong antimicrobial and antifungal properties that help the body defend against harmful bacteria, viruses, and yeast overgrowth. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects support the immune system, reduce oxidative stress, and may ease symptoms of colds, flus, and respiratory issues such as coughs or sinus congestion. Oregano tincture is also valued for supporting digestive health and can help reduce bloating, gas, and microbial imbalance in the gut. All right, now for the fun part. We can collect our oregano, and then I actually got a good bunch here. We can wash it really well because we want to make sure that we get any sort of mud or debris or bugs off it. And then you want to make sure it is dry really well before you cut it and put it into your jar. So I just used some paper towel to dry it off. And then what I did was I separated the oregano leaves from the stem, and then I further carefully cut them into smaller pieces just to have a more concentrated oregano tincture. This just makes it a lot more powerful. All right, you guys, so now that I have my oregano, it's nice and cut up. I have a clean jar that I'm going to be placing the oregano in. Oregano tincture is quite concentrated and powerful. It may interact with certain medications or irritate sensitive stomachs if overused. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should avoid it. So always consult with your doctor or healthcare provider before using it. There you go, you guys. So I got about half oregano in the jar. Now I'm going to be taking, this is Alberta Pure Vodka. So this is 40% alcohol, but you want at least 80 to 100 proof vodka. Now what I'm doing is I'm just going to be pouring the vodka 2 to 3 inches over just to cover the oregano. Now I'm just taking some parchment paper. I'm just going to cover the jar and put the lid on tight just so it doesn't rust. All right, here we go. So what I'm going to do now is store this in a dark, cool place for 6 to 8 weeks. I'm also going to put a label on it. It is important to label your tinctures and your jars to make so that you remember what you have. And so yeah, it'll go in a cool dark place for 6 to 8 weeks. Every week I'm going to go in just to give it a tip, just to make sure everything is still submerged in the alcohol. And then after 8 weeks, what we're going to do is we're going to strain it with a cheesecloth and really give it a good squeeze, and then we're going to put it in a dark tincture. So watch out for that video, and that will be our oregano tincture. And thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for more health and wellness videos.